Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the one of the powerful breakout strategy for the swing trading. So before starting, if you haven't watched the previous video where I discussed the one of the powerful channel patterns, I'll be discussing the two stocks which we had discussed for the September first week as well. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. I'll place a link in the description. So the two stocks which we had discussed for the September first week is SBI, State Bank of India. So let's see how exactly it has been performed from that level. So in the previous video we had discussed, we had draw the trend line from here, and we had instructed like buy above this level which is 808, and the stock and the stop loss should be 803. The stock has not given a breakout yet. So once it crossed the 808, so one can take a trade and with the stop loss of 803, and you can aim for the minimum target of 816. Okay, this is one of the stock which we have discussed, and the second one we have discussed is Mahindra and Mahindra. So in the Mahindra and Mahindra we had drawn the trend line from here. So you can see that it has given a clear breakout, so one can buy above this level 3268 and aiming for the minimum target of this level, as we had draw this line as a strong resistance zone. So the target has been met within few days itself, and in fact it has gone above the target. That's okay. So we'll be booking the profit once the target has been met. So we had discussed two stocks, M&M and the SBI. I hope that strategy will be very clear. So if you have any doubt, you can do put a comment section. And coming back to the topic, so in this video we are going to discuss about the breakout strategy. Okay. So in the breakout strategy, the concept we'll be using it is higher highs. We'll be trading based on the higher highs. So let me explain what exactly is higher highs. Okay. So let's assume that the stock has started from here. Okay. So it has made a high here, and then it has given a slight pullback or small correction. You can say that again from this level, it has reversed from this point, and again, so it has made a one more high. Okay, so here you can see that this is the lower point, the first low, and this is the second low. Okay, and this is the first high which has been made. So once it cross this level again, this is going to continue. This is the one of the higher, this is the one high, this is the second one. Okay, so let me explain you how exactly you should take a trade. So for example, the stock has started from here, so it has made a high here, and the stock has to given a pullback, then only you'll be taking a trade. Wait for the pullback to happen, then again once it reverse from the pullback, wait for the breakout. It has to cross the previous high. Once it cross the previous high, then you'll be taking a trade. You'll be taking a trade at this point, and your stop loss should be previous low. This should be the previous low. And as we discussed in the previous strategy, the target should be minimum 1:1 and 1:2. We should keep the target as at this level, the same as the below one. Let me explain once again. For example, the stock has started from here at this point, and it has gone up till here. It has made a high. From this level, the stock has corrected a bit, and it has made a low. And then from this point, the stock started giving a run up. So never buy the stocks at this level, because we may not know, it might go to below this low as well, right? So you should always buy the stock when it breaks the previous high. Once it's pull back from the stock, then again once it breaks this level, you'll be buying the stock. Top loss should be previous low, and target should be 1:1 minimum. I hope it's clear. I'll explain in some of the chart as well. So starting from, I'll explain the Bajaj Holdings. Okay, here you can see that this is the low point, correct? This is the low point. Okay. You can see that from this level it has gone up till here. This has made a new high. Again, coming back to the uh, low. Again, once it's pulled back from here, once it's break this level, this should be a entry level. The stock has started from here, again made a new high. Again, pullback has to happen as discussed. Once it's break this level, you'll be buying the stocks, keeping the SL exactly, it will be almost 12,934 and aiming for 1 is to 1 minimum. So as discussed, the stock has to show a pullback, then only you'll be buying the stock once it breaks the previous high. Do not ever buy the stocks once it has been, like for example, this is the low it has been made. It might go to this level also, right? So do not buy this level. So once it cross the previous high only, you will be buying the stock. So let me give you one more example. Hint Petro. Here also you can see that. So this started from here, made a new high at this level. Again, as discussed, pull back. Once it's break this level, you'll be buying the stock. Again, one more thing is this high should be, see here, this is the first low, this is the second low, which is above the previous low. It has to be above the previous low. It should not be the saying that this low as below this low. Then this strategy won't work. Just to summarize, the stock has started from here, made a new high, given a sharp correction or pullback, we can say that. Once it's break this level, you'll be buying the stock with the top loss this level almost 384, and minimum you can aim for the 1 is to 1 target. I hope it's clear. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that will motivate me to create more strategies. And I'll see you soon with the new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.